Now I will solve a question based on the frustum. Question is the diameter at base and top. Diameters at base and top of a closed container of depth 5 centimeter are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeters. So there is a closed container in the shape of frustum with the depth 5 centimeter and diameters 10 and 6. Find total surface area and volume of this container. So we will apply formula for calculating the total surface area of frustum and the volume. Given that we have to use pi 22/7 and if root 29 is required, its value is given 5.38. So I am going to show you the shape of this closed container in the shape of frustum is like this. Diameter at base is given as 10 centimeter. So the big radius, or you can say R1, become 5 centimeter. Diameter at top is 6, this one. So I can say the small diameter at top 6 centimeter. So small radius, or you can say R2 is 3 centimeter because radius is half of the diameter. This one is how much? 3. This one is how much? 5. And this depth is given what? 5 centimeter. That is the h is equals to 5 centimeter. This depth is 5 centimeter. Okay. Bigger radius, half of 10, 5. Smaller radius, half of 6, 3. Depth of container, closed container, 5 centimeter. As a container is closed, so it is closed from base and top both. Whenever we solve, we want to calculate the surface area, curved, lateral, total, we need to calculate slant height, this one. Formula for slant height is under root of R1 minus R2 whole square plus h square. This gives us R1 is 5 minus 3 whole square plus height is 5. So this gives us 5 minus 3, 2 square 4, 5 square 25, 25 plus 4 29. Value of 29 is required to use 5.38. So one part how the slant height, that is this L of this frustum container is 5.38 centimeter. Number 1. Now we want to calculate its what? Total surface area. So total surface area of frustum and with the condition closed from both the ends. Formula is pi L R1 plus R2. This is the curved surface area plus area of base pi R1 square plus area at top pi R2 square. Curved surface area plus area of base plus area at top, this will give us total surface area. I am using the values here now. Pi 22/7 into L 5.38 into radius, bigger one 5, smaller one 3 plus pi means 22/7, R1 square means 5 square plus pi R2 square means 3 square. In place of pi we have to take 22/7. The simplification of the first part, this one, will give us 135.52 centimeter square. The second simplification, that is the area at what? Base. This gives us 78.57, and area of the top is 28.29 centimeter square. If I add these all three results, curved surface area plus area of base plus area at top, it gives us 242.38. That is what? 242.38 centimeter square is the area of this closed container in the shape of frustum. Now to calculate its volume, volume of frustum formula is 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. I will put the values. You will get 1 by 3, pi means 22 by 7, height means 5, bigger radius 5 square, smaller radius 3 square plus 5 into 3. This gives us the net answer after all calculations as 256.67 centimeter cube. This is the volume and this is the total surface area. So, in case the length of question is required to extend, we can say if it is filled with milk and the cost of milk is rupees 32 per liter, then first of all these centimeter cubes will be divided by 1000 to convert in liters, and that volume in liters of the milk will be multiplied with its rate. Similarly, if painting is required, then this total surface area will be multiplied by the rate of painting. So, frustum is an important component where you need to remember its slant height, you need to remember the 3-4 results. A, if only curved surface area, this much, with base, this much, with closed at both ends, the total, and one formula for calculating its volume. So, it is all about the mensuration 2, that is what? Closed frustum.